Good morning. Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. Thought I would do a quick walk-around video for one of my favorite cars ever, the Ferrari 308 GTS. This is a 1980 model, giving it the first year for fuel injection and the I after GTS. So this is indeed a 1980 Ferrari 308 GTSi. Gorgeous in red on tan, maybe the only color that these cars should be. And just as beautiful as you can imagine. This is a repaint. It has been painted one time, completely painted, and it was a glass out, complete job, and I would call it excellent. I like to look at the areas where the black and the red come together to see that it indeed is done like factory. And in this case, it is. It's hard to do right, and they got this one right. I like to look in all the nooks and crannies, actually. And it's right, even where people miss. Smooth as can be, no sanding marks, and total glass. Rebuilt brakes all the way around on this car. As I mentioned in the comments, I also re-dyed the interior. This is the original leather, but it was showing a few bits of wear on the bolster, so I wanted to take care of that. And want to show how soft this leather is. It's not hard anywhere. Just gorgeous. The switches and gauges are all excellent too. These cars have such a vintage look to them. I can't get enough of it. And I think they're a tremendous value in the Ferrari world right now. As we know, this car is in need of belts, and we can provide that service for the buyer. Also has a little low compression in cylinder 1, maybe a valve. So the new owner may want to do the heads as well. I also had the headliner in the target top re-affixed. These have a tendency to hang down. So we used the original one, but took it off and meticulously reattached it everywhere. All the clamps are good, and it seals tight, watertight. All the seals are excellent. May as well do a cold start. We are cold in the garage this morning at probably 41 or 42 degrees. So let's get in here and do that. Obviously a fuel injection car, you don't have to touch the throttles. Brings it up to almost 3,000 RPMs when it's cold. Car does not smoke. It does not miss. I usually let it run this way for 1 minute before I attempt to kick the throttle down, but if you let it go on its own, it will come down on its own. Clutch in this car is excellent. Synchros are all excellent, down and up. Headlights. Both operating properly. I'll turn them on too. Throttle's kicked down. Did that on its own. I didn't have to touch it. And there you are, guys. If you want to see more, or if you want me to do that again, I'm happy to do it again. I have trouble sometimes filming and working at the same time, but she's gorgeous. Everything you'd want in one of these cars. Thanks, guys. Happy bidding.